In this video of MeasureSquare Mobile for iPhone, we will be going over how to create and apply a couple of products such as a roll good. You can create a new product by tapping on the products icon pictured as an open box at the bottom left of your screen. Select Add New Product and the Add Product window will pop up. Here you can add the details of your new product. You can start with the title of your product, followed by the product type. From the product type list, you can select between different options including roll goods, hardwoods, tile, wall base, transitions, and labor charges. We will just leave this as carpet. Select the measurement unit and enter the product's roll width and roll length. If you are working with a patterned carpet, you can include the horizontal and vertical repeats. Then add your sale price and cost. Once you are done entering the remaining details, you can select Done to exit this menu and tap on the diagram button to return to the project view. Now that we have created our product, we can now apply it to our rooms. To apply products to your Takeoff, you must access the product catalog. Start by tapping on the product icon, which is pictured as an open box, and then selecting Product Catalog. In the Product Catalog panel, you can find a list of products organized by type ranging from carpet, tile, wood, wall base, labor charges, all the way down to erasers. Let's add a roll good and a wall base. Tap on a product to access the Assign window. Then tap on the room you wish to apply the product to, and then tap Done. Repeat this step until you have applied all the products into the desired rooms. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos and tutorials for MeasureSquare Mobile for iPhone.